Need to find every PDF, photo, video, or document on your computer? Everything Search makes that easy with file extension searches. In this guide, I'll show you how to search by extension, combine extensions with file names, and narrow results even further. First, open Everything Search from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. Give it a few seconds to load its file index if you have just opened it. Once the results list is ready, click inside the search bar at the top. To find one type of file, type a dot followed by the extension. For example, type .pdf to show PDF files, .jpg to show JPEG images, or .mp3 to find audio files. Everything updates the results right away, so, yeah, you can quickly see every matching file. If you remember part of the file name, add it before the extension. For example, type invoice.pdf to find PDF files with invoice in the name, or type vacation.jpg to look for photos with vacation in the name. To search for multiple file types at once, use the vertical bar between extensions. For example, type .jpg vertical bar .png to show both JPG and PNG image files. You can add more extensions too, like .mp4 vertical bar .mkv for common video formats. Another easy option is the search menu at the top. Open it and choose a category like documents, pictures, audio, or video. Everything automatically applies a search filter for that category. This is helpful if you don't remember the exact extension, or if you want several related file types together. You can make the search more specific by combining an extension with another filter. For example, search for large videos by typing .mp4, then add a size filter, or use a date filter to find recent PDFs. I mean, this is useful when you have hundreds of files of the same type. When you find the file you need, double-click it to open it. If you want to see where it is saved, right-click the result and choose Open Path or Open Containing Folder. You can also sort the list by name, path, size, or date modified to find the exact version faster. And that's how to search by file extension in Everything Search. Type a dot and the extension, combine it with a file name or another filter, and you can find the files you need in seconds. Thanks for watching.